Dito sa video, makikita nyo ngayong araw simula ng pagboto, isang kalapastanganan ang naganap sa Abra. Dahil mga marsyal ang naglalagay ng boto ng dalawang ginang. Pagmasdan ang pangyayari.
Chairman of the BEI, I would like to report po that we are having the votes be shaded by the watchers and the ballot secrecy folders are not being used. Sinisita po ng watcher from I do not see the party. I would like this to be noted in the minutes po. Despite the fact of reporting, tinutuloy pa rin po na mag-shade despite being a poll watcher who is disqualified from being an assistor for the elderly. May we also note po the presence of election paraphernalia.
Excuse me.